Before you even start to think about tiles, fixtures, or colors, there's one crucial question you need to ask. Why are you remodeling your bathroom? Most homeowners start with the aesthetics. A bigger shower, better lighting, a spa-like feel. Every successful remodel needs clarity on your ultimate goal. Otherwise, the rest of the decisions will quickly become a series of expensive mistakes. I've guided homeowners through this process for years, helping them avoid the biggest regret. The renovation became a modern space that reflects the client's lifestyle, with functionality and sustainability at its core. A previous client desired high-end marble everywhere until we dug deeper. Their mornings were rushed. They needed easy maintenance and they had kids running in and out of the space. That dream marble, it would have been a nightmare to keep clean. Instead, we found a material that gave them the look they loved without the upkeep they dreaded. This is why you need a strategy before you start. If you want to create a space that serves your lifestyle, not just looks good in photos, subscribe. I share insights most homeowners don't hear before they remodel, and they make all the difference. Let's talk about the one decision that defines the success of your remodel, the materials you choose. Most homeowners get stuck between extremes. Either they pick whatever looks best without considering functionality, or they go for the cheapest option, thinking they're saving money. The reality is they're setting themselves up for costly repairs later. The real approach? It's about balance. Here's how to evaluate the materials right away. Will it handle moisture, heat, and daily wear? That sleek wood vanity might look stunning, but if it's not sealed properly, it'll warp and crack quickly. Do you want to be sealing stone every year or scrubbing grout weekly? Consider materials that work with your lifestyle, not against it. Many eco-friendly labels are just greenwashing. Real sustainable materials reduce environmental impact, but are healthier for your home. Want to know how to choose the best materials for your bathroom remodel? Head over to my blog where I dive into how homeowners should evaluate bathroom materials before installation. A bathroom remodel isn't just an upgrade, it's an investment in how you live. And the most successful projects are not rushed. When I started designing, I focused too much on pushing projects forward. But over time, I learned that the best remodels come from slowing down and asking the right questions. Ask yourself, are you choosing materials that fit your lifestyle? Will your space function how you truly need it to? Are you making choices that will serve you for years, not just trends that look good today? Not every homeowner takes the time to approach their remodel with intention, but those who do create spaces they love living in daily. If doing remodels correctly is important to you, you should stick around. I teach actionable insights that help you make decisions with confidence, save you money, and grow your investment. Do you have an upcoming project and want to make sure every choice aligns with your vision? Book a quick chat with me. We'll go over your ideas, tackle your questions, and I'll help you set the foundation for a remodel that you won't regret.